So hello everyone, today we are going to unbox MTG Champions for Physics for NEET 2022. Today I received this parcel, so let's open it. This is the book MTG Neet Champion for Physics for class 11 and 12. It's basically for NEET, those who are going to prepare for NEET examination. It is going to be a very worthful book for you. If you are searching for the previous year's book, you can opt this book because this book consists of 5,000 plus chapter wise topic wise question from previous year's medical entrance exam from 2021 to 12. Okay, it's going to be very helpful. Okay, so let's review this book. This is preface and all. The entire syllabus is given here. Okay, and here you can see the question. The chapter starts from physical world. This is the contents 11 and 12. So the most good thing I have seen in this book is that before starting every chapter, there are some graph is given, that is topic wise analysis of last 10 years from 2021 to 12. Okay, what is this? This is that it mentions how much question means from this chapter, how much topic is much more essential, and the question which is very important, the topic which is very important, and maximum question came from that, and the graph is above. For example, here 4.10, it is in motion in plane. 4.10 is at a peak level, and it shows that it came from projectile motion. It's a very helpful. Some summary is given there. Okay, short summary or short notes, and after that power exercise start from here. It's mainly of previous year question, nothing rather than that. Okay, it's very important and very good book. You can definitely follow this book. Okay, I'll refer this book to you all. Okay, you can definitely follow this. Okay, and if you are searching for chapter wise, topic wise, error free, that previous year book, then only you can choose this book. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you like this unboxing and if you found it helpful, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a great day.